The problem is, if z is under root 3 upon 2 plus iota upon 2 raised to a 5 plus root 3 upon 2 minus iota upon 2 raised to a 5, then real part of z is 0. First option. Second, B, imaginary part of the complex number z is 0. C, real part of z is greater than 0, imaginary part is greater than 0. And D is real part is greater than 0 and imaginary part is less than 0. So C, the given complex number is root 3 upon 2 plus iota upon 2 raised to power 5 plus root 3 upon 2 minus iota upon 2 raised to power 5. Now we will take outside common here. If we take iota common here, we get 1 by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 iota raised to the power 5 plus again we will take common, so iota common, so we get here minus 1 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2 iota in the denominator raised to the power 5. Now see, we will rationalize here iota 1 by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 iota upon iota square. We will multiply here iota, this is iota upon iota square plus iota minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 upon 2 iota. So we will multiply by iota, so it become iota square here raised to the power whole power 5. Now this is iota square is a minus 1, so we put here value minus, so this will become minus, this will become minus. Iota into 1 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2 iota raised to the power 5 plus iota into minus 1 upon 2 minus root 3 upon 2 iota raised to the power 5. Now this value and this value, if we see, this is cube root of unity, so its value is omega, and this value is omega square. These are the cube roots of unity. Omega is cube root of unity. Now we know this is iota raised to the power 5, here power 5, into omega raised to the power 5 plus iota raised to power 5 into omega raised to the power 10. 5 to the 10. Iota raised to 5 is common here, and omega raised to 5 is common. We get here 1 plus omega square. We know 1 plus omega square is 0. So 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So, and iota square is a 1, and iota to 4 is a, sorry, this is minus 1, 4 is a 1, 4 is a, iota to 4 is a 1. So this is iota to 5, so this will be iota into iota raised omega raised to 5 into minus omega, which is equal to iota into omega raised to power minus omega raised to the power 6, and omega cube is 1, so omega raised to 6 is also 1, which is equal to minus omega. This is minus iota. Now this can be written like this: 0 0 minus 1 into iota. So real part of the complex number here, this is the complex number. So the real part of the complex number is 0 and imaginary part of complex number is minus 1. Now if we compare this with the options given, so A is the right choice of this problem. Real part of the complex number is 0.